Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am NAZIA from Hyderabad. By profession I'm an engineer. I have a zeal to learn Arabic language from long time. So I searched for multiple institutes, multiple academics, but I couldn't find the most suitable one. Finally, I found Online Institute of Arabic Hyderabad. Here the teacher is Janab Asif sir. He's such an excellent teacher. I joined his course 1.5 months back. We successfully completed 5 lessons with the supervision of Asif sir. He helps you to learn language very easily. You don't feel like it's a new language, or you don't feel much difficult to learn the new language and adapt to it. So now I'm very much confident that I can learn Arabic language for better understanding of Quran and also for the spoken language with his help. So I would like to recommend his institute, his classes for everyone who is interested to learn Arabic language with ease without much difficulty. Jazakallah khair.